Did HeyGen just take our jobs? This is where I believe simplicity wins, and giving an exact roadmap for agents to be able to do between the market update, the hosted walk tour, which is like the walkthrough. This is like a real estate agent's best friend when it comes to creating content and knowing exactly what to do.
We always come into every single meeting with like a sample already done for them.
Yeah.
So you coming in there with like an avatar of them already done of a potential 30-second clip.
Yeah.
Game over.
So for us, like the biggest problem that we found working with people when it came to creating their brand, working with their videos, was the consistency aspect and just figuring out what to do and what to actually say.
Man, it was pretty much the same thing, man. I got to say, you know, the number one thing that, especially with these real estate agents, is that anxiety. And as much as you think that a real estate agent, because they are putting their face everywhere, billboards, bus stops,
milk cartons,
everywhere, right? It's all about their personal brand, which is the personal brand is their face, right?
Yeah.
You would think that someone like that is so eager to just jump on camera and just talk.
Yeah.
And that's not the case.
It is not the case.
It is not the case. So, you know, the ability for them to, you know, be able to consistently post that content that they know that they need to create.
This is their job. They don't get paid for showing up every day. They get paid for closing deals. So it's hard to ask someone to work for 2 to 3 months on a project for shooting videos for something they're already not comfortable with. And let's face it, nobody got into real estate to shoot videos, right? That was just thrown upon them because of this world of social media that we live in. Here are the best steps of how do you create an avatar to its best ability. And normally a lot of times when we have them shoot their video, we tell them, talk about something that you are actually excited about.
We do the same thing.
Right? Because it's hard. If you're out there and you're not getting the avatar you want, chances are you are reading off a script. Yeah. And then they'll come to you and be like, Nick, my avatar sounds robotic.
Has no
and I'm
personality.
Like, wait a minute. Like, let me see the video that you uploaded. And they're like, hi, my name is Nick. I am shooting my HeyGen video. I'm like, no.
Exactly.
Talk about your kids, talk about your family, talk about your favorite sports team. Because once you bring out that personality, then they nail their avatar and it turns out to be something they like.
So when they do open up escrow, it's not just a text message like you open up escrow, it's a video of the agent saying, hey, congratulations, you just opened up escrow.
Here's what happens next.
Here's what happens next.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So where my mind is always at and where it's always been is in humanizing the process.
One of the KPIs we'd have to track is show up rate. What I found working with agents was when they would send a custom video to the client, our show up rates skyrocketed. But then you would have to get the agent to send a custom video saying, hey, Nick, I'm coming over here at these dates. I'm really excited to see your property. Here's exactly what I do differently. But now with HeyGen, it just becomes a system. You just plug in the new client's name, you put in their property, and now the same thing, the show up rates skyrocket. You have instant rapport before you even walk in.
I love that.
And
idea.
sometimes we say, hey, you know that video we sent you? That wasn't even us. This is the difference of working with me. If I did this to you, imagine what I can do for your house. So that's where you take what you're able to do with HeyGen and you just blow their mind of like, holy crap, that wasn't even you. What could you do for my home?
Yeah, no, and I love the application of being able to translate it into different languages.
There's been another case too where their parents spoke a different language and they're like, I don't speak, it was Armenian. So they literally created a HeyGen avatar explaining the entire process in another language before they came over. They're like, no, we're ready to sign with you. Like you created this for our parents and they understand it.
That's awesome, man.
It was fantastic.
That's awesome. Homeowner is interviewing 5 other agents.
Exactly.
One thing to create the HeyGen, it's one thing to teach them how to apply the HeyGen, right? And that's where we come in, where I see HeyGen going, and I would almost assume this is what's going to happen, is that the strengths of these other tools that are out there, right, is that it's going to be more than just a AI avatar platform. And it's going to be an AI video everything platform.
It's going to be like an entire Hollywood studio production.
Correct.
And I think this is where what you were saying, like what you call the tastemaker, is where the human element combined with HeyGen, your creativity, because I believe HeyGen will literally be able to make Hollywood style production for anything that you can imagine. Correct. And that's the key word in that, imagine.
Yes.
Right? It's not just AI that goes out there and creates videos because what's the difference between yours? What's the difference between mine? Yes. It'll be that pure taste because when you can literally bring anything to life with HeyGen, anything that you can imagine, that is the key word and the X factor in it. What is your imagination? Who are you using? Relevancy leads to more money because once you own the mind share, you own the market share.
even the most, richest people that I know, right, that are creating content, they think that their way is the best way, and not knowing that they're getting passed up. And there's a reason why your video is getting 68 views and the same topic, the same everything is getting 680 views.
Yeah.
Right. So I think that relevancy is going to be a huge thing.
Yeah.
And relevancy with HeyGen is like very low effort. And if you're not using HeyGen, it's going to be a very tough game for you.